I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Make sure your client device is on the same LAN as the mesh nodes. Once done, open the vendor app or the router admin page. Use the login you already set, because without auth you can't list nodes. Then go to Network or Topology View. This is where devices appear. If you prefer a terminal, prepare to run discovery commands. Otherwise, use the graphical tool to locate node names and their brief details. Once you're in the topology or device list, continue by inspecting each node entry to find identifiers. You want to locate fields labeled Mesh ID, Node ID, BSID, or the MAC address. These are the unique identifiers used by the system. Make sure to expand device details or click the info icon to reveal full strings. If the UI truncates values, switch to the CLI and run the vendor-specific discovery or show mesh status command. This provides the complete ID and associated IP for cross-reference. To finish, verify the mesh ID by cross-checking it with the MAC address and hostname so you know you've got the right device. Once confirmed, record the ID in notes, export the topology, or capture screenshots for administration tasks later. If a node does not show, check firmware versions and connectivity, then restart the node or the controller and rescan. If problems persist, power cycle the device and retry discovery. This usually resolves transient visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.